New information about the upcoming Bambu 3D printer was just leaked. We all wanted a larger Bambu printer, but Bambu said that they want to do something special and not just a larger Exxon Carbon. And the printer is supposed to come out somewhere in early 2025. But new information about it was just leaked, and here is the image we have. The printer is called the H2D, and here is what I think it will have to offer. First of all, it will have a much larger build volume. Just look how tiny the AMS looks like on top of it. And then there is a new version of the AMS with a new different way of multicolor printing, which I think will work something like the Ultimaker machines that cost like $7,000. It will have a couple of nozzles on the tool head, and it will switch between them to change colors, and it should hopefully be much faster and don't waste as much filament. If this is true, people will be able to print much more filaments in multicolor or multi-material, from flexibles to indestructibles. Overall, this printer looks super big and well built, and I hope it will not cost too much, so maybe I can even get my hands on one. Write in the comments what do you think about this new printer. And I want to start taking my YouTube channel seriously, so it will really help me if you will like or even subscribe. And you can check my TikTok channel link in the description. Bye bye and see you in the next one.